In this simple video, I'm going to show you how to get your streak back on Duolingo on iPhone. So firstly, open your Duolingo app, click on your streak, and as you can see, I got only 1 day streak. It's 2nd of January, 1st of January is missing, and also I got the 31st December completed, so I want to get my streak back. So first thing you're gonna do is to open settings. Now scroll down and find the general option. Click on date and time. Disable set automatically option and change your date to your missing streak date. So I'm gonna set the 1st January. Now if I swipe down, my iPhone is showing the 1st January date. Now go back to your Duolingo and finish any course. I'm gonna speed up this. So once your lesson is completed, turn off the Duolingo, go back to settings, open the settings and repeat the process, go to general, date and time, and set automatically option. Now open the Duolingo app, and as you can see, my streak is back to number 3. I'm gonna show you. I completed the 1st January, so my missing date was successfully completed and my streak is extended. You can try it on your own, guys. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.